Happy Monday, everybody. Donnie Baker here with you, LPR Sound Foundation. You know, we're here to help you learn the art and business of recording. That's why we're here. Welcome to the podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, get excited. I'm excited. This month, October, well, come on, we got Halloween. There's that. But what we're doing is we're doing gear reviews the entire month. We'll start off today. I'm going to tell you what's going on. And stick around. Definitely stick around. You might not like me. You might not want to listen to me. But I'm giving you something this month. And you got to stick around to the very end to be able to. You got to register. You got to register to get the thing. We're doing a drawing. And I'm going to tell you about it in a little bit. But you got to stick around to the end to get the link so you can go register to get the free thing, man. The free thing. But we're talking about gear reviews. Last month, we toured all the studios last month. So this month, I want to do gear reviews. You guys were asking about some specific gear that we have in some of the studios. And what I want to do is I want to take 3 pieces from each studio and talk about it and share with you why I have it, how I use it, how it stacks up to other things. And I'm calling it the good, the bad, and the ugly. That's right, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Yeah, that comes from a movie. But what we're going to do is all right, so next week, we're going to do Studio B, which is this room, by the way. And we're going to talk about the good gear that's in here, the bad gear that's in here, and the one ugly piece that's over here. But the ugly piece actually is awesome. It does some really good stuff in this room for us, and we've talked about it. We talked about it last month when we did the studio tours. But it's ugly. It doesn't look like anything else in the entire studio. So there's that. And then the following week, I'm going to do Studio A, which is on the other side of the building here. And Studio A is our larger studio. There's a lot of gear in there to choose from, and just to find one that's good and one that's bad and one that's ugly took me a minute to think about it, but I finally came up with one. We're going to talk about the console in Studio A is the good one, and then you know what? I'm going to keep the bad one and the ugly one as a surprise until the day, So let's do that. The good, the bad, and the ugly. One more time on the movie. The good, the bad, and the ugly. There you go. So each room we're gonna focus on the good, the bad, and the ugly. Then the fourth week or the last week of October, what I want to do is I want to get your fan favorites. So download the list. Where's the list? Here's the list. Get the list. So this is the list from last month of all the gear in the studio, including all the microphones. And there's links on all those things, on everything. So if you see something in the studio and you want to go, oh, what's that? And you want to go learn about it and see what it's about and what it feels like and how much it costs even. There's that. Get the list and then go through the list. Let me know your favorites. So the final week, we're going to do 3 pieces from either studio. We're going to do 3 pieces from either studio that I don't talk about on the regular, and we're going to call it fan favorites, good, bad, and ugly fan favorites. So let me know which one you think is the good one, which one you think is the bad one, and which one you think is the ugly one. We got some ugly gear, but some of the ugly gear is it's really cool. It's really good. So I think you're going to enjoy that one. In order to do that, just put it in the comments. Leave me a comment, say, ooh, I want to see what you do with this one. I want to see how you use that one. I want to show me what that one sounds like on a kick drum. Whatever. The good, the bad, and the ugly of each one. So starting now, go ahead and start leaving some comments. I'll go through these, and then the final week we'll pick out which 3 pieces of gear we're going to show as the fan favorites of the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay? Sound good? Everybody with me on that? So I'm going to be giving away something, and I'll go ahead and share with you what I'm giving you. Here's what I'm giving away for free. We're gonna choose somebody from the entries at the end of the month. But here's what we're giving away. We're giving away a Sterling Audio, the SP150 and 130 studio microphone package. It's brand new. I think I checked it. I think I pulled out the mics just to see what they sounded like and see how I liked them. But listen, I never used them. I've literally only plugged them in one time, and I'm giving them to you as a gift. But you do have to register. But you got to wait till the end of the thing. You got to wait till the end of the podcast here, and I'm going to share with you the registration code or the registration link that you need to get that. Okay? I'm not going to put it in the description. You got to watch the video. The thing is, I want you to watch the video so you can get to the link, so you can get to the thing. So if you're watching a replay, don't look for the link in the description. It's not going to be there. You know what I'm saying? So these mics are actually pretty cool. One's a large diaphragm condenser for vocals. The other one's a small diaphragm condenser that you could probably use great. I bet it sounds great on a acoustic guitar, a snare drum, man, maybe a bottom snare drum. We just did a session this week with, we had a quintet, a 5-piece string section. Having some of these would have been awesome on the violins. What did I use on the violins? Just to be clear, I didn't use this on the violins. What I did use on the violins was, I used the Behringer C2. Man, if you guys haven't seen these, the Behringer C2, it's a small diaphragm condenser. It's a pair. And I think, seriously, I think they're like $60 on Amazon for the pair. And not bad. I mean, as a professional audio engineer and recording engineer, they're well done. I actually have a pair of SM81s, which I would normally pull out for a violin, but I went to the C2, and I got to tell you, I was impressed. The C2 really impressed, especially for the price. For you guys that are starting up and just getting started and, you know, building your mic locker, the Behringer C2 is awesome. These would be a great starter package for somebody that maybe you only have a USB mic and you've been cutting some vocals with that. You've been, you know, recording your instruments with that. This would be a great upgrade for that. And the cool part about this is that it's free. All you got to do is enter. Registration is going to end on the 29th of October. We're going to do a drawing. Basically, we're going to put your name in a hat. We're going to pull one out. You're going to win. Okay. We're going to do that on the 30th. I kind of wanted to do it on the 31st, but then that's Halloween. You know, I didn't want to mess up the holiday season with the mic draw. No, look, we're going to end 11:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 29th. You can get your entries in until then, and then on the 30th, we're going to draw your name. And if we do draw your name, we'll reach out to you via email. We'll get your address. We'll put these in the mail to you. You should have them by Christmas. They'd make a great gift for somebody that's in our business, if you know what I'm saying. If you don't use them and you just happen to be watching this for some reason, then you can get these for as a gift, you know? So there you go. Hey, man, so questions, comments, or concerns are always welcome. You can always email me here, info@learnprorecording.com. I'm always available. And we're just here. We're answering questions all day long, man. This is kind of fun. We do this a lot. We do have a Thursday live, which is kind of cool because everybody's coming on live. We're live on YouTube and we're live on Twitch. And I think we're going to start going to LinkedIn. We've gotten some requests to go to LinkedIn, to go live on LinkedIn. So we're going to try to put that in this week. But Thursday live, we just hang out. Thursday morning, we hang out, we answer questions. We usually talk about some cool stuff. This week on Thursday live, we're talking about we just upgraded our booking system for the studio. It's taken a minute to get used to it, but it's working. It actually is. I like it. And I'm going to share that with you on Thursday live. So come over on Thursday this week and hang out with us and check it out. If you're not there live, it's as a replay. Just go up to the channel and go to the live. All the Thursday lives are there if you want to go back and see what all the stuff we talked about. So there you go. Thursday lives are fun. So if you guys are ready, let me share with you how we're going to do this mic giveaway. I know you've been waiting. I know you're like, come on, man, talk about the mic giveaway. Just get that done. So here is the link. Okay. Let me give you the graphic. So just go here, man. Go learnprorecording.com/mic giveaway. That's MIC giveaway. Just go get registered. learnprorecording.com/mic giveaway. 100% free. I'm not selling you nothing. You are going to get some emails from me about some other stuff, but it's all free stuff, and you kind of can't go wrong with that. So there's the link. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave me a comment down below. Like I said, the fan favorite episode is going to be coming up on the 28th. So try to get your fan favorites in there. Don't forget you can get the gear list here if you want to go see all the gear in the studios in case you missed those episodes. But get that. Let me know your favorite, and we'll do a review on it. We'll hook it up. We'll do some stuff. We'll run some signal through it, see what it sounds like. And that sounds like a plan to me, man. I love this stuff. I really do. I enjoy when you guys ask me to do things for you. I'm not gonna share with you I know I'm gonna piss people off when we talk about Studio A, because the one that I'm thinking is the bad one, you guys are gonna disagree with me, and that's totally fine. This is why we do what we do. We all got opinions. We all got our favorites. And for me, that's my least favorite. So when I bring that up, you guys are gonna, some of y'all might give me hate mail. That's totally fine. Just no, look, we're all here to work together and to enjoy each other's opinions. You know what I mean? This might be your favorite piece of gear. This might be my favorite piece of gear. You might hate this one. I might love this one. It's all the same to me. It all works. Whatever you get, if you can get the sound you need to get out of a crappy ass microphone and a crappy ass interface and an old ass laptop, if you're getting the sound that you like, that's all you need, man. You, my friend, are a recording artist. You are a producer. You are a studio owner. There you go. My name is Donnie Baker, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Don't forget about the Wednesday blog post. Don't forget about Thursday Live. Don't forget, next week, we're gonna be looking at some good gear, some bad gear, and some ugly gear one more time on the picture, because I think it's funny. If you guys have not seen this movie, this might be a movie to go look at. I think it was 1969, bro. It's one of the great westerns of the world. So if you haven't seen the movie, go watch the movie, and then we'll talk about the good gear, the bad gear, and the ugly gear that I have right here in my Studio B next week. I will see you guys next week. My name is Donnie B, and I am out of here. Peace.